What if I told you this innocent looking PNG files can compromise your computer in just seconds? Today I am going to show you exact how cyber criminals do this thing with any target. Let's start today's video. At the end of the video I am showing you real demonstration that hacker can be do to steal your login credential. Wait for end and stick with me. And also I want to make this sure this video is only for educational purpose. I am not responsible for any illegal activity done by this knowledge. Let's do this right now using WinRAR. Yes, WinRAR. It's just extractor of the file. It have advanced feature like self-extracting archives, means SFX. Let's start the demonstration. First of all, requirements. You need one icon image and one image, one malware file, min.exe or bat file. You want to learn how to create a malware. I listed some books for that, malware analysis and malware development inside of the description. Go and check out. This is a safe demonstration. We are going to real demonstration at the end of the video. Then select the both file of the PNG and then malware. Then right click on that, select WinRAR archive. Then here first of all go to SFX option, then advanced, then you can see steps. Inside of the step give the file names which you can run first. I am giving first of all malware file, then .png file, then modes, click here, then hide all updates, click here, and most important logo or icon, set the icon for it, then okay, you are done. It's looking good. When we double click on it, it's first of all run the exe file, then it's run image. But wait a minute, see the extension, this is .exe. I have two solutions for the beginner user and one of the advanced user. Let's go first for beginner and easiest method. Simply rename it, and end of the name you can select the opposite of the PNG, it is GNP. Then the extension, it will be default. Now look at carefully because this is some confusing part. First of all put your cursor in front of the G, then right click on that, then instead, then ROL. You can see extension file name and GNP flipped, but any careful person go into preferences of this file, he can easily see the actual extension of this file, that is exe. I have solution for this. First of all create a new file, put this thing into that file, then rename it totally with the extension, put the extension name is .png, but now main file is corrupted. Don't worry and don't be panic. I have solution for this. First of all open the terminal here, then paste your file name and hit enter. It's work normally, but any user could not open PNG like this. For that create the shortcut of this PNG, then hide the main PNG and rename the shortcut as the original PNG name. After that go into preferences. You can see this line. In front of this line you want to be type cmd.exe, then /c. In run into normal window, convert it into minimize, because when we run the file the command line will be executed in minimized form. Then hit OK. When you run this file you can see the magic, it will be works like how we want. But the icon, once again go into preferences, then you can see the change icon, then click on that and choose your favorite icon. Now let's come to the real demonstration how any hacker can hack you, but this demonstration is it using real malware. For that reason I could not providing this exe file, and also this is a safe demonstration because attacker are me and target also me. For this demonstration I have created one fake website of the wallpapers. Let's open the website. It's looking like very simple, but real attacker can be create this website most attractive, beautiful and trappable. You can see here one download button to download wallpaper. When I click on that it will be install one zip file. When I extract this and I got one file, instead of that I have one image file. When I double click on that, but wait, first of all see this, think like that this folder has a attacker system. Now see, when I double click on that and my hands is on, all my Chrome login credentials are in this file, but it is safe because attacker are me and target also me. But instead of the real life Real attacker can be set a remote access and spyware, ransomware and many more things they can be do with you. For that reason, always install any software or anything inside of the official website. Also, you want to be learn how can create this type of malwares, you can check out these books for learning purpose. Also comment down which video you want to build next, see on my channel. That's it for today, but remember, I am not a hacker, I am a awareness. Like, share and subscribe.
Digital shadows grow across the neon screen. A silent protocol is broken unseen.